If I don't get my diploma, I'm gonna burn this bitch down. I gotta go. I ain't got my net check yet. I got those folk in the student account line got a bigger attitude than me, and they know they did wrong. Type blue. And I must not have gotten that memo. To leave all common sense at home. Because the only common sense here are the pennies you have to rub together to formulate your tuition. But the ambitions of becoming a future leader will soon find that your bachelor's degree is equivalent to a GED. You can have a PhD and still be broke in this capitalistic society, so as Kanye, many find themselves as college dropouts. We either become rappers or inmates who be inmates and drop more babies than excuses in the Bush administration. Since financial aid be later than miss periods, great minds miss periods of semesters. She missed periods down in the midst of trimesters, and everyone shaking their heads, fully knowing every mistake that she took because they watched her whole story unfold on her status update on Facebook. I have those blues. So if I see parking services, give me another fucking ticket. I'm gonna watch all their cars magically burst into flames like blues. If they give me a motherfucking ticket, I'm gonna watch all their cars magically burst into flames type blues. I have those blues from HBCUs turning my blues red from frustration on how much they remind me of track stars the way they run from all major issues like why is parking here almost non-existent, or why are all faults so publicized and seeming like no one's trying to fix it, or why are predominantly white schools able to attract more African Americans as gifted, not to mention chlamydia, HIV seem to be found more easily around schools with melanin issues. I have those HBCU blues. I got the HBCU blues. It's drama out of town. I got those HBCU blues. It's drama out of town. If I don't get my diploma,